Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some language for feelings, specifically strong feelings. And this is going to help you to avoid saying the word very. Sometimes we just need a strong word that will help to describe the intensity what we're trying to explain. And sometimes when we need to exaggerate or something that's really strong, very just isn't enough and doesn't cut it. In English we say it doesn't cut the mustard. So I will show you some words, some idioms to describe basic human feelings like hunger and fear. Number one is livid. 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 This means very angry. So stop saying very and say livid, livid instead. Pronunciation tip, it's short I, livid. We don't say livid, livid, it's livid. An idiom you can use for this, I saw red. So in English we use color a lot in idioms to describe things. And I will make a video about this because it's really interesting. We can also use the idiom of hit the roof, extreme anger. Number two is ravenous, ravenous, ravenous. This means to be very, very hungry. Okay, so that feeling when you are just absolutely starving. This word is just great to describe ravenous, ravenous. You can also use the idiom, I'm so hungry I can eat a horse. Yeah, so I'm always ravenous after I teach 3 classes back to back. Yes, and the Philippines hunger is real. Number 3 is devastated. Devastated. And this means to feel or to be really, really, really sad or really upset. Perhaps you got terrible news or something like that. So you can say, I was devastated. I was devastated. Make sure you make devastated, not devastated. We can also use my heart sank. My heart sank. You are telling a story and you want to describe the moment that you find out terrible news. You can say, my heart sank. My heart sank. Number 4 is terrified. Terrified. So this is a great word meaning really, really scared. And it's really useful for storytelling when you really want to describe intensity of how you felt in the moment. Because very scared just isn't strong enough sometimes. Also use the idiom, I was scared to death. Scared to death. Number 5 is elated. Elated. This word means very, very, very happy. You can also use the idiom over the moon. Over the moon. So I was over the moon meeting my old friend or my best friend over the moon. Instead of saying very happy. Okay, so I was absolutely elated when my sister got engaged. So in order to add extra intensity to these words, in case you really need it, just you can use incredibly or absolutely to these words just before them. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed making this one. See you in another video. Bye!